Alright, this is MH4 Designs. I just wanted to show you something about everybody's wearing a new face mask and everything. I'll just share what I did to mine just to make it easier to take on and off and to adjust, where you don't have to keep pinching the mask or, you know, playing around. What I did is I put a little loop of monofilament line. Actually, you can see right here, it's just a leader line. I mean, you can use anything that will stiff and be firm to hold the loop. You know, the loop doesn't have to be that big where you can just grab onto it and pull the mask as you're pulling the mask off your face. I haven't secured this one yet, but you know, you can, because I don't want to pull through yet. But you know, just so you can hold on to it. I'll show you in a minute. Now, if you use something like this, the loop is just gonna dangle, and this is gonna absorb moisture or dirt or whatever, but it's up to you, whatever you want to use. So what I did is I took the monofilament, I cut a piece, just tie a loop. I'm sure you can't see this on the video, but anyways, so I'm just tying a loop, and you want to leave these two strings long. So I would have probably cut a longer piece, but this is just and probably that loop's pretty good. So anyways, then you're going to take this with longer enough to tie it. I mean, my hands wouldn't be able to tie that. So what I did is you poke two holes. First of all, I put the mask on and I pointed my finger where I wouldn't keep looking at the loop. So if you put the loop way up here, your eyes are going to just constantly look at it. So I put it where I wouldn't see the loop, but I know where it is. So I marked it. So I poked two holes about 1/2 inch apart, and I worked the fishing line through it. And then I tied a double knot on this side. So you want to catch as much as the filter, because you want the filter. If you poke one hole and put it in, the knot is just gonna eventually pull through. So if you just grab enough of the filter so it won't pull through, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Is now you can either hot glue it like this. I'm going to hot glue it so it holds, so the loop stays. Plus, we're actually blocking the holes where we poke through. So now I'm actually gluing it like that. So now it will sit there. Now we have to block up the holes. Now, I mean, you could use anything like this, super glue, but you got to remember, you're going to be, if it's going to have a heavy smell to it, you're going to be smelling it in your mask. So that's why I'm just going with hot glue. It has no smell. So I'm just clogging up the holes here, and then plus once it dries, the fishing line won't rip through the mask eventually. I know you can't see that, but anyways, so once that dries, you're going to cut the rest of the monofilament off like that. I have some nice decent scissors. Alright, so now the loop is on there, so when I go to pull my mask off, I have something to hold on to, and I can pull it off my head, or if I need to reposition it on my face, I got something to grab onto to move it around. So anyways, I hope that helped, and I hope you try it out. Alright, thanks for watching.